If you have pain in your upper back area, especially between your shoulder blades, you know that one spot. If you've tried therapy, chiro, massage, and didn't get lasting relief, this is for you. The upper back pain, that portion, is one of the most misunderstood areas to treat. Most people get treated just for their pain, but never for why it got there, the root cause. So when the root cause isn't fixed, that pain just keeps coming back and it spreads. Sometimes for people it goes to the neck, shoulders. Some people even start feeling it down their hands and arms. They can't sleep, can't work comfortably, and let's face it, when you have a lot of pain, just makes for a really grumpy mood. My name is Huang Tran. I'm an occupational therapist and certified hand therapist here at Hands-On Therapy Services in Doral. I see patients like this all the time. They've done everything right, but still can't seem to get the relief. I'm hosting a free workshop to show you why your pain keeps coming back, what most providers are missing, and a natural approach to fixing this without pills, injections, or risking surgery that won't even fix that spot. It's completely free. Click the link and save your seat today. There's limited spots, so sign up and I'll see you there.